Welcome to all the winter tips that we have for you today. I'm Rebecca, wellness enthusiast at Hot Spring Spas of Sioux Falls, and today we are going to cover the tips that we have for you so that you can enjoy your hot tub all winter long. So, here are the things that we want to make sure that you do before it gets cold. Now, this is the perfect time of year to go ahead and drain the hot tub and refill it so that you have the cleanest water going into the colder months. So, one of our first tips to get your hot tub ready for the winter months is to stop in the store and get a product to add to the water before you drain it that's going to clean out all of your lines and give you the cleanest hot tub possible. We have one of my favorites is called the hot tub scrub product. You add that right into the water with the jets going, and you'll leave it in there for a couple of hours before you drain it. Either that product or one called Spa Purge will also do the same trick for you, helping you have the cleanest hot tub before you fill it again with the cleanest water for those cold winter months. Now, our other tip that is really critical to helping your hot tub stay hot all winter is at that time you want to use a product to clean those filters, which means you've got to pull all that body oil out of those fibers so that you have plenty of water flow. That way your heater is going to work efficient all winter long. So our favorite product is Pleatco. We call this the pee wash. You actually just put it in water. One of these will clean 2 filters, and you want to soak your filters as long as possible. I love it if you can soak them overnight. That would be ideal. That or this spray-on filter cleaner, I actually recommend diluting it in water rather than spraying it on because then it can get all the way into the center of all those fibers. Key here is to when you take them out of the cleaner, you do need to rinse them with some really good pressure to get all that cleaner out before you put them back into the hot tub. One of the other reasons we always recommend and emphasize cleaning these filters up before winter months is what happens when a filter gets plugged up and it doesn't let the water flow through to the heater. It shuts the heater down. And if you're not going out and getting in that hot tub regularly, then when it's 40 below, you could end up with an ice cube. So that's why we emphasize and continue to emphasize get those filters cleaned because we want to help you protect that investment, not only in the summer months, but especially during the winter months when the wind and the cold here is very cold. So we want to help you keep that water hot and enjoy it for years to come. For even more winter tips or discounts on these products, stop into the store. If you have more questions, stop in, text us, or call us. We're here to help you at Hot Spring Spas of Sioux Falls, where every day is made better.